Welcome everyone, welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Today we're going to do sesame prawn toast, and here's the final product here. It's just my version of sesame prawn toast. Like, instead of using bread, I've actually used sourdough bread. It's a lot better, a lot crispier on the bottom, and plus I put a few herbs and spices inside the mix. But we'll go through that in the next step-by-step guide I'm about to show you. Thank you. G'day everyone. Awesome, that's simple and easy to follow. So here we've got it here now, got the dipping sauce here. Got a small amount of sesame prawn toast here. Now with the, like I said, I use sourdough bread. It's a bit thicker than normal toast, but it's a lot better, a lot more flavour. And with the spices, I put in some ginger, garlic, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, some chilli, Szechuan pepper, sesame oil, ground that up and put it into the prawn mixture, so just so you get more flavour, and also some coriander as well. And we've got the dipping sauce here, basically all the same ingredients here with a bit of rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, and all those condiments. We'll just give it a bit of a taste first without the dipping sauce. And all those flavours are all infused together, nothing dominating the other, you can taste it all. Plus with the sesame seeds, fantastic. Goes great with this dipping sauce. Great for an appetiser when you've got a few friends over. It's pretty quick and simple, doesn't take too long to do. But it's definitely Morish and tasty. Like you've got a few pieces to eat, eh? Thanks very much for watching the video. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you.